Hi, I'm Ramana Shankar. I'm the project lead of the Jovian Vortex Hunter project, which ran on Zooniverse from June of 2022 till the end of 2023. The goal of the project was to understand atmospheric dynamics of Jupiter by looking at what are known as vortices, or atmospheric phenomena that look very similar to hurricanes and cyclones here on Earth. So we had a lot of data that came in from the Juno spacecraft, which is still currently orbiting Jupiter. And as it approached Jupiter, as it got closer to the planet, it started taking a series of photos of the planet. We used these images, which sampled different atmospheric phenomena at different parts of the planet, and we served them to volunteers and asked them to describe the atmospheric phenomena that was happening in those photographs. So we can get information about the size, the shape, the color, and the distribution of these vortices across the planet. Unlike here on Earth, we cannot send a sounding aircraft through any of these cyclones through the atmosphere. Instead, we have to rely on observations from spacecraft such as Juno. And all we can get is essentially the top-down view of what's happening in the atmosphere. While we had seen vortices like the Great Red Spot, which are very long-lived and you can observe them for decades, what we really were missing is the statistics of the distribution of vortices across the entire planet and across different sizes and shapes and colors. And since there's such a huge volume of vortices on Jupiter, we had to rely on the citizen science methodology to ask volunteers to help us. So at the end of the project, we had almost 8,000 unique vortices that were counted by volunteers across a span of about 5 years of images. And so from the sample of volunteer annotated vortices that we got, we were able to study the distribution of the thickness of the atmosphere at different parts of the planet. This study is really the first step in kind of unraveling the mystery that is the deep Jovian atmosphere. I really want to continue the Jovian Vortex Hunter project. All of these very interesting, very unique discoveries has only been possible through the methodology of citizen science, which is something that Zooniverse has afforded us.